What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a defined middle part. Like, I know y'all been seeing all these Instagram models get that like jet black hair with their middle part. I know Eric and Tay, he always doing them. So I decided to film me making my defined middle part. So this is like part one of part two, because in this video I'm just showing you how to define it and how to pluck your frontal, and in the second video I'm gonna be showing y'all like how to lay it and stuff like that. So after y'all watch this video, make sure y'all watch the second part, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. If y'all want to see like a full review on this wig, make sure to click the link in the description bar, and I'll be telling you more about this hair.